Morning, everyone. It's Jay and Abad here from Bullhorn. So, following on from some of the other videos that we've created, today is all around AI agents and actually just some of the key differentiators with things like AI assistants. So, as a quick reminder, an AI assistant is basically born to deliver content based on prompts that you ask it to. Hey, you ask an instruction, it delivers back to you. The key difference between an AI assistant and something like an agent is the agent is autonomous. It's acting proactively in the background to ensure that whatever prompts you're feeding it, it's then acting on behalf. So today's quick demo is all around how the AI agent can act in the background to ensure it's doing kind of the low value, mundane tasks that recruiters hopefully shouldn't be anymore. We're going to be focusing on data enrichment examples today, utilizing your own data to hopefully make it work for you a little bit more. And we've got a bad with me who's going to be covering that right now for everyone.
Yeah, thank you, Jay, and great to be here again. And today, again, just like Jay mentioned, we're here talking about how we can use AI agents within Bullhorn to enrich data within your database. And this is typically data that you already have. But of course, it requires a person to go in, pull that data from places like the CV, and putting those into the relevant fields within Bullhorn. Well, those days are now over. Now, instead, you can utilize the AI enrichment agent to fill that task for you. So, simple example here, and again, we've talked about the AI assistant in the past. AI assistant's all about creating generative content. So again, here, as you can see on the screen, we can generate content using data we have on Bullhorn. Now, one thing that you might want to utilize is, for example, help you on the data health side of things. Now, it's something you've probably heard from us before, but usually you have to go and ask a candidate, for example, to capture that information through the use of surveys. What we can now do instead is, well, if we have the data already there on the CV throughout your database for all those thousands of potential candidates, why don't we use an agent instead to capture it and put it in the right field for you? So, a quick example here is on the assistant. I have a new prompt that I created called extract candidate's email address. Now, let's do this manually quickly just to show you the proof of the pudding. I can click on that. I can generate the content, and what it's going to do is it's going to look at the data on the CV and it's going to extract the data that I'm looking for. In this case, the email address. And as you can see here, we can see the CV on the right-hand side. There's the email address, and we can see the email address now in our prompt. But this is manual. We don't want to do manual. We do things automated. We want this to take away those low value tasks away from the consultants and enrich and ensure your database is as clean as possible. And this is where we can automate those steps using the enrichment agent. Now within automation, you'll have this new AI assistant step, and this will allow us to take the various prompts we create and automatically apply those across the system. So you saw me a second ago press a button, which gave me the email address. Now imagine against your entire database, whether it's an email address, whether it's skills on a CV, whether it's last employment or last job title, any data that you might have on that CV that you want to extract and put against the relevant fields within Bullhorn, you will be able to do that utilizing the enrichment agent within Bullhorn.
I think that's just one very brief example, but as Abad has said a second ago, we basically want people now to start leveraging automation and AI to do the heavy lifting for you. So hopefully you found that one small example useful, but we're going to be covering a few more examples over the next few weeks. And any questions, please just let us know. But that's it, and bye for now.
Thank you.